Merry Christmas!
Hello everybody, welcome in channel The Knitting Room. We take out box with the remnants of yarn and we begin to prepare for Christmas because there's a little time left. It's turned out that a lot of interesting gifts can be made from the remnants of yarn. And here are 7 ideas for handmade Christmas tree toys. Can be very different: snowflakes, Christmas trees, little gnomes and bunnies. The snowflakes crochet very quickly and very easy, and Christmas tree too. It is an interesting idea for you. Small hats and socks and jumper will decorate any Christmas tree. And very nice next idea. Small crochet bunnies can be souvenir charm and decorate your Christmas tree. And bunnies is symbol this year. Every people, children and adult people like these toys and enjoy beautiful scenery. And sweater case for cups, bottle can be candles look very cool and original. And simple bottle looked like art. Well, if you have several jars of jam or delicious cucumbers, you can tie new ear slits for this jar, and it will be a great, beautiful and useful, delicious gift for your relative. And the next idea for you, it's made a little postcard with knitted socks, sweaters, hats and Christmas trees. It's very romantic and very beautiful. Christmas gnome and angels have become very popular by the New Year's. They are easy and quick to make and look original and dory. And this gift will please a child and adult. It's nice time to do needlework, and with a good mood, the remnants of yarn and my very good ideas. Cool holiday and original gift for you. And I wait your like and subscribe. Goodbye, see you soon.